How would you, or why would you encourage other families to consider high needs children and fostering high needs children?
I would encourage because every child in care has a trauma, and that's what high needs kids have: deeper traumas. They've had maybe a longer time in it, out of home and in foster care. Some of those kids, some of the things are more traumatic. But because every child in care has had some sort of trauma, and we learn how to deal with that, work with them, especially as a person working in a school, I see high needs kids all the time, just in our regular families, families that are needing help and stuff. So taking on children with high needs used to be so scary, but we have so many resources now. I'm so grateful and thankful for an agency that never stuck with, okay, this is our protocol and this is our curriculum and this is the way we do it and we're not changing. I appreciate that when role models of different things stopped working and there was more information, more understanding, more insight to the needs of children and how to work with them better and how to bring success in their life. That's available. And here at Christian Family Care, they're always at the top seeing what's out there, what's available, what's out there that's working better than what we're using right now. And it's not that you're throwing things away, you're just adding to your toolkit. And as you add to your toolkit, you have more things to reach for in a situation with a child, and instead of reacting to the child who's being rude and disrespectful, you can say, pause, count to 10. Okay, that child's coming from a place where they're really hurting and they've been really angry, and it's not about me. They're just saying it to me because I'm the safe person in front of them. So you be that safe person for them, because there's so many resources now to help you, to empower you, to let you touch the lives of these kids at whatever age. You can have a very intensive 3-year-old as much as you can a 15 or 16-year-old. There's no age discrimination with the need of a child. So because high needs kids they're amazing kids too. They are smart, they're funny, they have so much to offer, so artistic, a lot of them. They just don't know what their gifts are. You get to teach them what their gifts are, to point them out, to say, wow, I really appreciate that you can do this. That's amazing. And as you reach and you touch their life, you see things change. The tantrums get less, the blowouts get less, and when things are really intense, you have a resource. You reach out, you network, and so you're not alone. You don't stand alone with these high needs kids, and they bring so much to your life.
Another thing too, in regards to reaching out, is reach out, because there's so many resources out there. There's so many classes today. And if you have a question and you reach out, I guarantee there's already somebody that has gone through it and done it before.
Yeah.
And there is no such thing as a dumb question.